The phrasal verb put off means to delay or postpone something to a later time or date. It is commonly used as a verb phrase.
I always put off doing my homework until the last minute.
You shouldn't put off making important decisions for too long.
I put off cleaning my room and ended up with a messy space.
Have you ever put off going to the dentist because of fear?
I often put off going to the gym and regret it later.
You can't keep putting off your responsibilities forever.
I'm going to put off doing the laundry until tomorrow.
Do you tend to put off starting new projects because of uncertainty?
I put off buying a new car until I saved enough money.
Have you put off repairing that leaky faucet in your kitchen?
I regret putting off spending time with my family when I had the chance.
Why do you always put off having difficult conversations?
I put off studying for the exam and now I'm feeling anxious.
You shouldn't put off addressing conflicts in your relationships.
I keep putting off organizing my closet and it's a mess.
Do you ever put off writing your essays until the deadline approaches?
I put off going on vacation until the summer, and now the prices are high.
I always put off starting a new hobby because of lack of time.
You should never put off expressing your gratitude to others.
Put off.